Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to submit a Utah tax payment online using Utah's Taxpayer Access Point website. So the first step is to navigate to the Taxpayer website by Googling Utah TAP or finding the tap.tax.utah.gov website, which looks like this. Then you will go to Make e-check payment. You do not need to worry about coupon verification. Just go ahead and enter your information under taxpayer contact information, then click Next. On this page you will click here to add a payment. For the account type, there are many different options. For our purposes today, we will be using the individual income tax. The ID type, we will use social security number. So you will enter your social security number, followed by your first and last name. Then for banking information, you'll indicate whether it's a checking or savings account. Input the routing number. If you have a correct routing number, you will notice that the bank name field populates automatically. Then input your account number and confirm it. The final step in this box is indicating how the payment will be applied. This is a very useful link that shows what types of payments you can submit. Typically you'd submit a return period payment or a prepayment unless one of those other options is more applicable. So if we do a return period payment, we'll select that. The filing frequency for all options will typically be annual unless you're dealing with an entity that is on a fiscal filing calendar. The filing period end is the tax year that you are applying the payment towards. So if you're paying an old tax payment for your 2015 taxes, then you would select that. For our purposes, we'll say that we're paying our taxes towards the 2018 tax year. The payment date defaults to today's date, but you can also schedule it in advance. And then finally the payment amount. If you're making a prepayment, the steps are basically the same, but you'll change it to a prepayment type. And it'll be annual and then whichever filing period you are applying it towards. So after that we'll click Add. And you can add other payments if you're making payments for multiple people or for a business and your individual. But once you have them all input, you click Next and it lets you review all the information. So again, this is an individual income tax payment that will be applied to 2018 taxes. It will be withdrawn from the specified account on January 31st, 2019 for $1,500. Then you will click Submit and you'll be prompted to input your email address. After you input your email address and then click OK, you will be sent an email confirmation, and you will also, on the next page, you will be able to see the confirmation code, and there are options to print and save your confirmation. It's highly recommended that you print or save your confirmation information and furnish those details to your tax professional so that everything is accounted for and no payments are missed. And if you need to make an adjustment to your payment, you can go back to this website and input your email address and the confirmation code to modify the payment up until it has been finally processed.